right that way, Apple.
Thank you.
It does not look very good.
Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Malta, pick up the car. This is Malta. What is it, Gar? Another ship out of commission. I have to contact Hondo. Don't bother Hondo. I have to. I'm paging the boss. Paging Hondo Onaka.
This is Hondo.
Sir, there's a serious problem with one of your ships.
A problem? What problem? I'm the best ships in all the galaxy. I don't market transport solutions.
Well, one of the best ships in the galaxy just lost power and crashed into the fuel depot. That can't be good.
It's not a problem. But I'll get this fixed right up. And you, my fine employee, you decided to bring this to my attention over the intercom, yes? What is your name? Hang on.
I gotta go.
What is your name, sir?
Yondo Manaka. Bye.
And what for leakage?
Used in original 1976 Star Wars production R2 Mars feet to create roll lines on some of the ground. Oh, is that why Nancy was pilot? Yeah. We'll let Matt be pilot. I don't want to be pilot.
3 people have a pilot. One person is gunner. Well, 2 people. There's only 3 of us.
Got the grill.
Speed bikes.
In the game, the shoes, prices are on eBay
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in, come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is very dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger? You insult my honor. I believe you have very little honor to insult.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millenium Falcon. On loan for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine peregrine! Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. Wow, the first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit depend on it. Now go. You work too much off. I will never send them in these dangerous and damage the ship.
We'll see. Will depend on what I have planned. Party of one, come on in. So my party of 8, how did you guys want to split it up?
Pilots, gunners, engineers, administrative solutions 7. Again, you're part of the ground flight credentials group. Go ahead and come on in, guys.
Thank you. Hey, party of 4, come on in.
Right is hyperspeed and ground credentials.
Gunner, gonna be right in the
Go ahead, head it all the way.
Gunner, gonna be right in the middle. And then no engineer.
They are.
Come closer. A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Scorelia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, You harpooned that precious cargo. Now get a move on and know that I have complete faith in you. But I am coming along with you just in case.
Getting ready to go fly. Yeah. It's like any other day. Just like a normal day, you know? Just nobody to fly every day.
Come on in quickly, buckle those restraints from the outside inwards.
Seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y
Quickly,
cuiden.
please. So cool. Time is credits. You're right there. Forward to go down, pull back to go up. Gunners, hit those flashing lights. Automatic will be easier if you've never flown before. And you have no engineer, so hopefully you don't crash too bad. Have a safe flight.
Engineers. Automatic repair engaged.
Still light up. The big round ones. The big round ones usually. Yeah.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot. Hit the booster. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
There you go.
Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. There it is, after that train. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. Good work. Well, my friends, there could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. The power of the ship. Well, I can go axial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxial. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, fire the harpoon. Gunners, shoot the train. The cargo's bring, keep shooting. Getting too hot. We've got to get out of here.
Get out of here, man!
A distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Protect time. Let's get out of here. Will pilot us in remote. Retrieve one container of coaxial. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Smile, Bess.
Oh, wait. Wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. All fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy as much as I do. It is not unusual to find a stray species or two clinging to the hull. Nothing. But keep looking. The last thing I want is to let another rata loose in here. I am not cleaning that up. Did you hear that? It's right over my... Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
What? Oh.
Hurry, crew. Time to use credits. I gotta repair this thing.
Oh, that's brilliant. Freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee season.